Hello, my name is Murray Wilkinson. I'm with Future Gen Solutions, and this week I'd like to talk about a very interesting concept called the Super Manager concept. The Super Manager concept is predicated upon simplicity and efficiency. Too often, superannuation clients of ours talk to us about the fact that they can't control their superannuation, they have issues with transparency, knowing what they've got, and more importantly, it's complex and convoluted. What's occurred as a concept going back 5 or 6 years ago has now become a process that we use with our clients, which I'd like to talk to you about today. We've called it Super Manager because it does just that. Most people have 1, 2, sometimes 3 superannuation accounts, and if they're a couple, those accounts could be at least 4 if they're running an accumulation account and a pension account. What we've looked to do is to create one account, a family superannuation fund for mum and dad, 2 individuals together. And the reason we've done that is because it gives us benefits in terms of how we can sum together the monies under administration. More importantly, we can create some simplicity. I'll show you through the diagram what I mean. Firstly, by creating one cash account, we can roll over all superannuation funds into the cash account initially. From there, we can buy, by putting the assets together, either shares, property, cash, or a combination of these. So this is the transparency element I mentioned initially. Because we've summed the assets together, it's generally cheaper. Most importantly, that both trustees of the fund can put contributions into superannuation, either concessional contributions, which is deductible, or alternately, non-concessional after-tax contributions. At the same time, if they wish to, and they're eligible, they can also pay out pension payments from the one cash account. And, more importantly, we can incorporate life insurance, which is normally paid personally, into the ownership of the private superannuation fund here. What's in it for trustees? Well, apart from simplicity, it also offers protection. Protection from bankruptcy, should that occur, or if your business should fail. More importantly, protection from creditors in the future, and it also allows flexibility in terms of how you invest. Assisting this process, Super Manager, there's 2 other key players. Ourselves as the advisors, we have eyes on the account here, and we make sure that all tax and liabilities are paid in advance, and the administrator who works in with us to actually do the financials and complete the tax returns for the fund. So today, I've just touched on the concept of Super Manager and how you can simplify, consolidate, and essentially have what we call a cradle to grave solution, of which your next generation can also be part of. Thanks for your time this afternoon.